Right, here's a wee stone dressing technique.
Or we call it stugging in Scotland. So we want to be coming in at an angle here, 45-degree angle. What we're going to do is we're going to create teardrops shapes here. Then with the next line we're going to come in between here. But what I want you to be doing is you need to be hitting down and out. And that should be the desired finish there. Forget this, this was an old chimney stone. So this was an old raggle, so I've just taken that out. So this will be for rubble, but that is how you stug or punch a bit of sandstone.